guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another birthday slay for my Aries babes. If you are tuning in for the very first time, hello, my name is NESHA, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo, you already know what time it is. Okay, what time is it? Birthday time. Yeah, so I've been doing a zodiac birthday theme and of course birthstone theme as well, which is still part of the birthday theme. But if you guys want to play catch up, do a little binge watching, I do have a playlist down at the bottom. Go ahead and check it out. I have done some amazing looks for Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, and now, like I said, we're on Aries season because it's y'all season, it's y'all season, it's y'all birthday. So for all my Aries out there, I want to wish you a happy birthday. Go ahead and represent down at the bottom if you are an Aries babe. So today we're going to be using the Melt Cosmetic. This is the bad side of zodiac. These are going to be the bad signs for not only the Aries, but this is a dedication for Leo and Sagittarius as well. I love the color of this palette. Out of all the Melt Cosmetic, this burgundy like definitely grabs my attention. I'm not so excited for the inside of the palette. Here is the color story. And when I first see it, I was like, okay, I can do a little something with this. The only reason I'm not feeling so like excited because I feel like all of the Aries palettes had the same color story, and I'm just like, I didn't realize that until I got them all with me, and I was like, and I started filming these looks, I was like, why is there so much orange and red? It's because y'all element is fire. I still feel like they should have still put like other colors together with these Aries palettes, but I apologize if my color story has been looking a little similar for y'all season. I'm just doing what it's giving in this palette, but today I might be able to twist it and turn it into a very like warm neutral look, hopefully, because it's a lot of orange shades in here, but it's also a lot of warm brown shades that kind of can be manipulated to look more of a neutral look. So that's what my idea is going to be doing, and I'm not only going to be showing you guys my eyes, we're going to do a full face as well, so be sure to stay tuned all the way through the end. I'm going to get you guys right for your birthday. All right, so I'm all locked and loaded. I am zoomed in. My eyebrows is already put together. I do have my brow bone highlight on as well. And for those who know, it's my ULTA Buzzword eyeshadow. Yes, I always put this on right underneath my eyebrow to set the concealer and stuff that I use. So let's go ahead and jump right into this look. All right, so the first shade I definitely want to dib and dab in because I don't want to do so much reds and oranges at the moment. We're gonna go in with the shade Revenge, and it's this really pretty chocolate brown. So I'm just gonna pop that right in my crease. All right, and now I'm going to blend this out. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Bossy. And it's like a nice little orange shade. I think would be perfect to blend out this brown. Because I'm not trying to make it a basic neutral look. Like, I'm trying to give y'all a little funky, still beautiful birthday celebration look for y'all. So we gotta do it good. We gotta do it well. We gotta blend everything. Ooh, look at that, honey. I'm lost for word. Browns and orange looks really, really good. I think that's why I've noticed also a lot of palettes, even like the newest palettes that's been coming out lately, a lot of the palettes have been like orange shades, and that's because it's the season of spring and summer, so they're trying to bring out these bright colors, and then they're also trying to complement the brights with a little bit of neutral shades because they feel like not everybody is going out the house wearing bold eye looks, and which is true. It's like very few of them out there like me that do color all year round. So I don't care what the palette looks like, what season it is, I'm gonna wear whatever I want to wear. But I just noticed that a lot of palettes lately have been having orange and browns put in them, and that's because they very much so complement each other. Look at that. That looks really, really good. First I was getting a little frightened about this palette, but now I'm definitely here for her. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Revenge just to make sure these two shades really flow and blend together. All right, that looks really good. This is what the crease is gonna look like. And I'm gonna do a quick cut crease off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so now that my crease is cut, what I'm gonna put on my actual eyelid, I'm feeling a little frosty, so I'm gonna put this very beautiful metallic shade on the eye. And I am gonna apply this wet. I feel like Milk Cosmetic, like the metallic shades, look at that. They're very creamy and buttery on their own. I'm just extra, and I just like setting my metallic shades with some setting spray. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I am going to place this all over the eyelid because this is such a beautiful shade. All right, I am gonna go back in with Revenge, which is that chocolate brown. And I'm just gonna brush that in the outer. And before I fully close the outer part, I'm gonna take a little bit of Bossy and put it in between both shades. Honey, these eyes are giving birthday celebration all day, every day. Like this combo is beautiful. And I thought this golden thing, this golden like bronze color was gonna have like a neutral bronze to it. But with this orange in the crease and then this orangey bronze color on the lid, oh my gosh, y'all. This is like another level of a beautiful neutral look. And right now I'm just reapplying some of my brow bone highlight to make it blend a little bit more better with that orange. See the difference? Yeah, so I am here for this color combo right now. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit more. So the key of having a nice birthday look, your face gotta be beat. I don't care what's going on with the eyes. If your face is not flawless, ain't nobody paying attention to the eyes. Like, they're not. You need the whole package to look good, okay? I'm gonna get you guys situated and set for that, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start with the face. I like to always start off with a moisturizer. I do have oily combination skin. And yes, I still moisturize my skin because that is very important on having layers to this, okay? So I'm going in with my Matcha Green Tea Moisturizer Primer. Then I'm moving along with my actual primer, and I'm going in with the Essence. This is the partner one, the Poreless Partner Mattifying and Blur one. Alright, the skin is looking flawless, but even without me having my foundation and everything on. And that is very important. You want to make sure you have your base looking good, smooth, airbrush, filter, whatever you want to call it, before adding your other layers of products. So now moving along with my foundation, I'm going in with my Beauty Bakerie foundation. And this is the Insta Bake Aqua Glass Foundation. And this is the one that they're going to discontinue. Hopefully you guys had the opportunity to get your hands on it before it went bye-bye, because this is really a good foundation. I usually do this underneath my foundation, but I totally forgot what concealer I brought and put on my desk today. So I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is the color corrector, and this is like the orangey peach one. And I'm only doing this because I do have a little bit of mom bags underneath my eyes. But the concealer that I'm using, it needs that extra like coverage. So I am doing that by adding this. I feel like when I use this concealer, for some reason, it does give me like the illusion that I have bags underneath my eyes. 10 times worse than what I usually would have it, so. All right, and to make sure that I have it blended nice and evenly, I'm just gonna go in. And I did a full-on product review on this Essence concealer as well. And this is why I'm doing this method, because I've learned this concealer works better with having some type of like color corrector underneath it. It may work and do different things for you depending on your your face and your skin routine and stuff like that. But for me, it gave me the enhancement of like more like wrinkles underneath my eyes, the creases. I'm like, no, I'm Asian, but I'm not Asian like that. And then it also gave it like a halo dip in my underneath my eyes. Like it made my under eye circles look even more deeper. So by me adding this color corrector, I like this concealer now. Now, do I feel like it's worth doing all this color correcting? No, not really, especially for the price. But after doing that, I'm telling y'all, this is a really good coverage of a concealer after, you know, tweaking it and stuff like that. But she's a really good one for the low price. And it is very hydrating on the face. For a minute, I kept saying, like, what is this feeling that I feel underneath? Every time I apply it, you can feel the hydration, like, immediately. So right now, I'm just gonna spray my face. And this is gonna help dry down this concealer because it takes forever in a day for this concealer to dry down. And honestly, I really don't think it does dry down because of the hydration that it's supposed to be. But I'm telling y'all, she still do what she's supposed to do. She get the job done and she looks really, really good. And I always like to liquid contour first because I feel like it helps keep my contour set throughout the day. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Rich Ebony. And y'all, sometimes my concealer contour don't really be all that good. But it's just the base to help it, you know, set it and everything like that. It don't have to be freaking perfect. Alright, so now we're going to make sure all these layers of concealers and stuff like that is going to be properly set. So for underneath my eyes, I am going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie. This one is in the shade Plantain or Caramel, whatever you want to call it. So I don't like to let my powders like bake underneath my eyes. So what I am basically doing is I'm pressing the actual powder into the foundation. So I'm like basically making them melt together. This is what it's going to be looking like. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be doing the same method but just a different powder. And I'm going in with the black Radiance powder. Alright, and if you press your face hard enough, you shouldn't have any like remaining powders left on your face, but I still do this part. Let's go ahead and brush the remaining powders that may have not got pressed into the foundation. And look, it's airbrushed. That's what you want your face to look like. Airbrush filter, yes. So when the pictures come around, snap it for your birthday, girl, you are ready. You're ready. No flashbacks. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. I'm going to contour with Beauty Bakerie. And this is where I like to set the actual liquid part. So this is what it looks like mixed, combined together with the liquid, and this is what it looks like without. So you can still see the contour, it's just not that heavy and in depth like this. But we want to like I lost some weight, okay? Alright, so let's finish out the eyes. We're gonna zoom back in. I'm gonna go in with my gel liner. We're gonna pop it in the waterline. And then bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that very dark brown. Pop it at the bottom. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of my blue in my inner. I like to let that dry and get a little bit tacky before I go in with the actual eyeshadow. But what we're going to pop in the inner. I want to see if this yellow can do what it's supposed to do. Let's take this neutral look into another level. So I don't think it's going to be that bold, but it's going to show something. Oh, I really like how this is turning out. Okay, so let's finish up the face. I'm going to move along to my blush. For my blush, I'm going in with the JUVIA Volume 1 blush. And I think I'm going to go for this. Going in with the Mented lip pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is not going to be my main color. And I'm going to go in now with NYX. Alright, and then for my actual lipstick, I'm going to be trying out one of my new lipsticks from 21 Days of Beauty from Miss UOMA. Ooh, I love the sleek packaging of this. Looks really nice. And here's a pretty nude shade of it. Well, this shade is everything. Everything. Oh my god. I see why these lipsticks are like $25. I'm so serious. Y'all know I'm a liquid type of girl when it comes to my lipsticks. Like, I like the liquid lipsticks formula because I feel like they dry down. The ones that I use, I feel like they're not that harsh on my actual lips. And for these, I feel like regular lipstick, they don't last long on my lips, or they show the texture of my, you know, my lips a little bit too bad. But this, I can feel the buttery, creamy texture and the pigmentation, y'all. I can keep applying this. Oh my god, look at that. Yes, this is worth every bit of coins you could think of. Look at that. I'm almost tempted to wear her by herself, almost. But this is a birthday look and we need to be glossy all the way, so I'm going to be going in with the ice from FENTY and we're going to gloss her all the way up. I love the cooling effect this lip gloss does. Oh my god. I feel so good. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is pop on some lashes, set my face one more time with this, and then I'll be right back to you guys. Y'all finish birthday look. Alright, so this is what the complete look is going to be given, honey. If this don't scream birthday slay, then what does? But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope this is a good celebration makeup look for my birthday girls and gents for the month of April. This is what we're getting from the Miss Bad Side of Fire palette. I'm excited to now do more looks using this palette. So yes, it's a very neutral look with a fire little twist to it with that yellow side, definitely bringing this look out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Of course, I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so you guys stay tuned. I'll see y'all again tomorrow. And again, happy birthday for my birthday, Aries. Bye guys.